The ultimate checklist for Airbnb cleaning success. Welcome to the Comfy Maids blog, where we unveil the secrets to achieving Airbnb cleaning success like never before. As industry experts, we understand the importance of providing an immaculate and inviting space for your Airbnb guests. In this comprehensive checklist, we'll share our professional insights and proven strategies to elevate your cleaning game and ensure 5-star reviews from every guest. 1. First impressions matter, a welcoming entryway. The entryway sets the tone for your guest's stay. Start by ensuring a clean and clutter-free entryway. Dust off surfaces, sweep or vacuum the floors, and make sure the welcome mat is spotless. Pay attention to lighting and ensure bulbs are functional. An inviting entryway will leave a lasting impression on your guests, making them feel at home from the moment they step inside your Airbnb property. 2. Spotless sanctuaries, mastering bedroom cleaning. The bedroom is a sanctuary where your guests seek relaxation and comfort. Begin by changing the bed linens, fluffing pillows, and straightening the curtains. Dust all surfaces, including nightstands and dressers. Vacuum or sweep the floors, paying extra attention to hidden corners and under the bed. Guests will appreciate a well-maintained and spotless bedroom, ensuring they have a restful and enjoyable stay. 3. Bathroom brilliance, creating a spa-like experience. A sparkling bathroom is crucial for creating a positive guest experience. Start by thoroughly cleaning and sanitizing all surfaces, including the sink, shower, and toilet. Replace used towels with fresh ones and provide essential toiletries. Pay attention to details such as mirrors, faucets, and grout lines to ensure a pristine look. Consider adding small touches, like a decorative plant or scented soap, to elevate the space to a spa-like experience. 4. Kitchen perfection, hygiene and organization. A well-maintained kitchen is essential for guest satisfaction, especially for those who enjoy cooking during their stay. Start by emptying and cleaning the refrigerator, discarding any perishables left by previous guests. Wipe down all surfaces, including countertops, cabinets, and appliances. Ensure that kitchenware and utensils are thoroughly cleaned and neatly organized. Stock essential items such as coffee, tea, and cooking oil. 5. Living room magic, cozy and clean gatherings. The living room is a focal point for relaxation and socialization, making it essential to maintain its coziness and cleanliness. Start by vacuuming or cleaning the floors, including carpets and rugs. Dust all surfaces, including shelves, electronics, and decorative items. Ensure upholstery and cushions are clean and inviting. Enhance the ambience with soft lighting and fresh air. 6. Spotting hidden dust and dirt, attention to detail. To achieve a truly pristine space, pay special attention to hidden areas that may accumulate dust and dirt over time. Dust sealing fan blades, vents, and light fixtures. Check corners and baseboards for dust buildup. Wipe down doorknobs, switches, and remote controls to maintain a hygienic environment. 7. Efficiency and time management, a cleaning schedule that works. Time is of the essence in the Airbnb industry, where quick turnovers are crucial to maximizing bookings. Create an efficient cleaning schedule that optimizes your time without compromising on quality. Communicate with your cleaning team to ensure they have all the necessary supplies and instructions. An efficient cleaning schedule will allow you to welcome new guests promptly, contributing to positive reviews and repeat bookings. Our dedication to cleanliness and attention to detail will help you stand out in the competitive market, ensuring a steady flow of satisfied guests and repeat bookings. Cheers to your success as an Airbnb host.